What is up, YouTube? It's me, Branks, Name or Pickcrafters here, and we are back with another update on Vong-Fong. Well, actually, Ambo, but you know, it's the tropical storm now, which means it's got the actual name, Vong-Fong. And but the name's Ambo, named by the Philippines, is still there. It just got like two names because, you know, it formed in the Philippine Sea and blah blah blah, you already know. So, as y'all can see, this is Ambo as a tropical storm. And if we look by some of the models here, as y'all may know, if we look here, we can see that here we go, Vong-Fong, tropical storm. Now, it's been a tropical storm for a couple hours now, and as you can see, in a couple of hours, it's going to turn into a Category 1. We're probably going to see Category 2 status now, because we've got some updates. We can know that this is probably going to be a Category, you know, Category 2, and about, as y'all may know, it'll be like a Category 2 right here on this island. It'll make landfall on that island right there as a Category 2 with 95 knots and 109 miles an hour, but that's like 3 days from now on May 15th. And then it's going to move up on that island, and it's going to weaken all the way back to a tropical storm, which will still be Vong-Fong. And then it'll start moving up, and I believe after May 17th, it'll be like, maybe like on May 18th, it's going to be like a tropical depression. We're not going to see any more from this storm, like, after that point, probably, because it's weakened. It's going to get even weaker until it turns into a weak tropical storm, then becomes a tropical depression, and then it dies. So, everybody knows the story. You know, we already could see it from here. And, yeah, let's check the latest satellite imagery. Okay, here we go. So here's the latest satellite imagery from Vong-Fong/Ambo. As you can see, we can see the not the tropical storm. My bad, sorry. We can see the Category 1, like, storm right here. Like, it looks like a Category 1. It looks like a standard Category 1 storm. But it will be turning to a Category 2 as it moves into this island right here. Not an island. Why do I keep saying island? I meant like it'll make a landfall in the Philippines right here. Then it'll come up as a tropical storm, and then it'll just, you know, it'll move out all the way over there. And it'll die after May 17th. You can see that this, you can see like the eye forming. Pretty sure there will be some eye cycles or replacements. I don't know. But you know, you get the deal. Here's another one, but it's like kind of frozen, so I don't really know if we can, you know, do that one. But it's fine. So, let's go back to this. Now, we can see, remember, makes landfall right here, Category 2, moves up on the island, and here it is as a tropical storm. Then, it'll move all the way out, and then basically, like, it'll be like right here. Wow, the storm will be going on for quite some time. As y'all can see. See? Makes landfall. Category 2, tropical storm getting weaker. Then it will die out. As you may know, here it is as a remnant. I'm surprised it even is going that long, but there it is. It died. And, that's not all we have to talk about. We're kind of tracking 3 storms right now. If you think about it, we're like tracking 3 now. So if we go here to this region, see, look, 384 hours into it. Look right over here somewhere. Okay, it's loading. So look over there. As you can see, we got... Wait, did it die? Is it dead? Okay, well maybe it won't even happen. Well, I guess you could say that's a good thing. Yeah, it is good. Well, you guys don't have to worry anymore. But I don't even know why I just closed out of that. Why did I do that? I'm having a stressful day today. But anyway, that's not all we have to worry about. We have to worry about this too. Disturbance with a 70% chance of cyclone formation in the next 5 days. So this could be potential Arthur. As you can see, we're having another early storm. And let's read this. A broad area of low pressure is expected to develop late this week or early this weekend, a couple of 100 miles north of the Bahamas. Environmental conditions appear conducive for gradual development of this system, and a subtropical depression or storm is likely to form this weekend while it moves northeastward over the western Atlantic. The next special tropical weather outlook on the system will be issued by 9 a.m. EDT Wednesday or earlier, if necessary. Formation chance through the next 2 days is pretty low, near 0%. So basically, the storm won't form in the next, it won't form in 2 days from now. It won't form yet, but in the next 5 days or so, around that time, it'll form. Because it has a 70% chance in the next 5 days. So we're still looking out for this storm. And as I said earlier, it could be like a subtropical depression, or like a subtropical storm, or maybe just like a weak tropical storm, like really weak. Like, just 40 miles an hour, your standard tropical storm. And yeah, that's basically all we're expecting now. So yeah. So that will do it for this video, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. If I missed anything, you can comment below. And make sure you subscribe, like, share, and turn on the notifications to get all the latest updates on the storm. Anyways, peace out, guys. Bye-bye. See you guys in the next video.